Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the drink in glass. This matters because shape and temperature change flow. Once done, hold the vessel with a steady grip and bring it to eye level so you control tilt. Make sure to inhale briefly to assess aroma. That tells you strength and flavor. Then, tip slowly, just enough to let liquid reach the lips. You will feel a natural pause where your throat cues swallowing. That's the first true action. Practice this once slowly to set rhythm. You now refine the sip. Take a measured amount, roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of your comfortable mouth volume, because too much triggers coughing. Once taken, use your tongue mid-back to guide liquid and create a small channel toward the throat. This reduces spill and gurgle. Make sure to close lips smoothly and swallow in a controlled motion, pausing to breathe gently through your nose. If flavor is strong, breathe out through nose to balance sensation and adjust next sip size. You finish by pacing the remaining sips slower, especially if the drink is hot or high in alcohol, because gradual intake prevents overwhelm. Once done, rest the cup and allow a brief pause, swallow any residue naturally and breathe. If a sip lodges or you cough, lean forward slightly and take small water sips to clear the throat. Do not force a big swallow. If persistent discomfort continues, stop and seek help. Otherwise, resume slowly and adjust sip size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.